Let us begin with a paper pattern on writing the way for Maths 2. Again we are dealing with question number 1 and 2a. Question number 1 contain multiple choice question, normal question, and question number 2a is activity based. So first let us know what rules are written on the board paper and which we are supposed to follow it. First one, all the questions are compulsory. Use of calculator is not allowed. Total marks are shown on the right side of the question. If necessary, draw the figure to justify your answer. Construction marks should be distinct. For all multiple choice questions, question number 1a, marks will be given only to first attempt. While solving multiple choice questions, write the number of sub-questions and write the correct alternative in front of it, either A or B or C or D. For all the multiple choice question, that is question number 1a, if you cancel and rewrite or you overwrite, you don't get marks for that answer in spite of being correct also. For question number 2a and 3a, complete activity expected in answer sheet along with block. Let us see first question, MCQ1. The title is also given to you. 4 alternative answers are given for each of the following sub questions. Choose the correct alternative and write its letter. So first one, as it is given, a side of an isosceles right angle triangle is 7 centimeter. Find its hypotenuse. So the 4 alternatives are given to us. We need to choose the correct one, but some of you all without solving you cannot, so you solve it. You can in the question paper as I had given you, but at the end you need to write down the answer, that is 1b. B is the correct alternative because you're going to get marks for the last statement what you have written. If you miss the last statement, you may not get marks. Examiner may not give you marks for correct answer. So you must remember, be careful. The solution you can write, but it is very important to write the alternative as it is given in dark blue color. Second one, they have given you question. ABC angle is 80 degree. Find the measure of arc APC. So you can solve it and get the answer. Solution you can write down if you want, but the examiner want last line, that is second half D option correct. For that you will get the marks. Third one, I did not show it. The solution you can find out. Now you might have understood. So I have written directly answer. The answer third sub question have B alternative correct. Same way fourth one, solution by your way, different method you can find out, but the answer must be written as it is shown in the video. Let us go for question number 1b. It's a normal question which needs solution. Here also we require 2 or 3 steps. If you are taking more steps, there is no harm in it. You can write down. Let us see the first question. Triangle PQR. Angle PQR is 90. PQ square plus QR square equals to 169. Find the length of hypotenuse PR. If you want, you can draw diagram. If you don't, it's all your choice. So here we know that PQ square plus QR square equals to PR square by Pythagoras. Very compulsory statement. You will get marks for it. And then you are substituting the value. You will get by taking square root plus and minus root 30 plus and minus 13. but as you know, the length of segment cannot be negative, so PR equals to 13 units. So your first and the last statement, all these things why you should write, because the board give specify particular steps marks, and if that steps is missing you will not get that mark. So therefore you must write down each and every steps properly. The answer should be written in a statement form. The length of the hypotenuse PR equals to 13 units. Why units? Because they have not specified any units on top. So it's units. Let us go for the second sum. Two circles with radii 8 cm and 2 cm touch each other internally. Only they have given condition here internally. Find the distance between their centers. Solution. This statement is must. Most of you all don't write, that's why you all lose half marks and then you all grumble. If two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their center. Or you can also write down in the 10th standard textbook, it is given to you, theorem of touching circles. So this statement is must for half marks, and then you can write down internally touching means difference of their radii, and the next step is the distance between the center of two internally touching circles are 8 minus 2, that is 6 centimeter for the given question. Clear? So the half marks for the green statement and the half marks for the black one along with the unit. Why? Because here they have given to you units, that's why. Third sum, if P is the midpoint of the segment joining A and B, find the coordinates of point P. So solution, here again this formula is must because it will carry some weightage, some marks the board will be provided to you. So it is very important to write the formula nicely. Then after that substitution, as you see, and simplify, so you got the value of x as minus 1. Similarly for y, substitution, simplify, y equals to 2 you got. The last answer is very important. Coordinates of point P equals to minus 1 and 2. So you'll get marks for the final answer also. I hope it is clear. Next sum, we have if sine theta equals to 11 upon 61, then find the value of cosec theta. Again, steps are very important. See, we know that cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sine theta, the formula which you require, and get the marks for it. And when you substitute and simplify, you get cosec theta equals to 61 upon 11. So this is the final answer where you will get another marks. Next one, let us go for question number 2a, activity base. Here full question and the things again to be written in your answer sheet. See, diagram is must. Those they don't, they will not get marks at all. The examiner may cut the marks. In the given figure, line PQ parallel to side BC they have given. AP values are given to you. AP equals to 2.4 centimeter, PB equals to 7.2, QC equals to 5.4 centimeters. Complete the following activity and find the length of AQ. Solution, let the AQ be X, therefore they have given to you PQ parallel to BC. So we'll get AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. The reason you have to give, here we have substitution, 2.4 upon dash equals to x upon 5.4. Then we have simplification, so we get 1 upon 3 equals to x upon 5.4. Then we have x equals to 5.4 upon dash, and we'll get the answer here. X equals to. Let us see what are the answers are there. All this what is shown at present in the screen should be written in your answer booklet. See here, basic proportionality theorem in the block, then we have 7.2, then we have 3, and we get answer 1.8. All this thing must. Let us go for the next one. Again we have a diagram, question, then activity. All this again I'm telling you, all these activities should be completed, noted down in your answer sheet. Chord AB congruent to chord CD given, corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle are block. Therefore arc AB congruent to arc block. Therefore arc AB, this is all given to you in your question paper, which was given to you for your practice. Clear? Now after writing all these things, you must write down the correct answer. See here in a blocked form inside the answer sheet. It will come as it is shown at present in the figure. Everything will come, but only thing is that you will write the answer in a blue. Let us go for third one. See here the diagram is given to you. Everything is required. Diagram, everything. Again I am telling you, most of you all don't write, so you all not get marks, then you all grumble. Please follow the instruction they have given to you. Here are the questions as it was given to you in the question paper. Now the answer, sum of the angles of a triangle is must. Do not write of your own choice because the examiner expects what is given in the textbook. Then here the SR, third value is 12 units and the last one is 6√3 units. If you do not write complete this, you may not get marks. Diagram, if you don't do, you may not get marks. One more thing, any sum based on theoretical sums, the diagram is must there. You must draw the diagram. Okay, hope it is clear how to write down the paper, and see you with the next time.